Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we will go through how to delete file from a project in Claude AI or the whole project. So start with the file. What you need to do is go to the project right here on the left side, click on that, and here you will see your project which you have opened in your time of using this Claude AI. Now click on project in where you have the files and that you know that you want to delete those files. So open up specific project, find the file. On the right side you will see here files instructions. So here you will have your files if you have included them. If you hover over to the file, you will see here this X to remove. Click on that and you will remove file from your project. Now, how to delete the whole project, entire project, is the same. You need to be in project section, then choose the correct project you want to delete. So mine will be this test. Click on, hover over to the project, click on these three dot lines here, and you will see with the red color delete. And if you click that, you will delete the whole project. You can just then need to confirm, delete, and yeah, delete that, and it will be deleted. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, as you can see, it's I deleted the every project that I have. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.